How to pin a location on Google Maps. Hey guys, let's get started. So to pin a location on Google Maps, first open the Google Maps application on your device or go to the Google Maps website maps.google.com in your web browser. Now once you're on the application or your website, search for the location you want to pin by typing the address, business name, or landmark in the search bar at the top of the screen. You can also use the map and zoom in to find out the location visually. Alright, once you have found the location you want to join, press and hold on that spot on the map. On a touchscreen device, simply tap and hold. A red pin will appear at the selected location. And in the card, you may see options such as directions, save, or share. Tap on the save button, which is represented by a bookmark icon or a star. Now after that, a menu will appear with different categories for saving the location. You can select an existing list such as favorites or want to go or create a new list by tapping on the plus new list option. You can give your new list a name such as pinned locations. Now once you have selected a list or created a new one, tap on the save or done button to save the location with the pin. The pin will be added to the selected list, allowing you to easily access it in the future. And that's it, you have successfully pinned a location on Google Maps. You can view your pinned locations by going to the Save tab in the Google Maps menu and selecting the appropriate list. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.